again, welcome to another cooking series. Today we're going to make sago layered cake. Hi, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey and my cooking journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. And today we're going to make sago layered cake. And this sago layered cake is slightly different, and I'll make it a bit more, well, imaginative as I say, but I'm just experimenting. So let's go and see how to make this multi-layered sago cake. For the steamed sago, you will need 350 grams of sago. You rinse and drain, and then you tip it into a container, and then you soak it for about half an hour. You also need 150 grams of sugar, 100 grams of grated fresh coconut, I use frozen, 1 teaspoon of salt, 150 ml of thick coconut milk, flavouring and colours of your choice, because I'm going to make it multi-layered and multicolour. We'll try to make some rose flavoured, and we add some hot water to the rose petals. Stir and we leave it to rest. You'll need 150 grams of grated coconut, preferably fresh, to serve. So now we're going to drain this. So now we add the sugar and the coconut milk together, and then we mix it so that it dissolves. We add the sago, then we add the coconut, and of course we add in the salt as well. And then we mix everything together. I'm going to spray my container with some oil. I've used it to check the volume so it can fit. I'm now dividing the sago mixture into 5 portions. The first one, I'm going to put a few drops of lemon essence and a few drops of yellow colouring. So I'm going to give it a stir. I can smell the lemon smell. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed so there are no streaks. Now we put the mixture in, and this will be the first layer, and you spread it out evenly. Give it a big bang. So now we put it in the steamer to steam it for about 15 minutes. For the second layer, I'm going to use orange color, about 2 drops. I'm going to add some crushed cardamoms, which I crush myself. Here is the steam yellow layer. Let's see. So we're going to put another layer on top. So now we put the orange layer. Of course, the next layer is going to be green, and it is the pandan flavour, Malaysia's favourite flavouring. This will be the next one. The next layer, I'm going to use red or pink. I think I want to make it like unicorn color, and I want to use rose flavor, but I don't have rose essence. So earlier on I made this rose tea from rose petals, so it could be a bit soft because I'm adding about 4 teaspoons. Now we mix it. Hopefully you'll give a nice color. The last layer I'm going to use is some vanilla essence. And the color is, I'm going to make it purple. So I'll put some red first, a bit of blue, and let's see how it goes. More blue would be nice, a bit more blue. The orange layer is not that orange, but doesn't matter. We'll put the green layer now. Okay, here goes the green layer. Okay, here is the green layer. Now we're going to put the next layer. So here is the red layer steamed, and we're going to put the final layer, which is purple, but it looks more of a blue. So here. Okay. So for the last steaming, I'm going to use a cloth to cover the lid so the water vapor doesn't drop down to the sago cake. I will steam this for 20 minutes. Okay, there goes the alarm. Let's switch it off. And let's see. Ta-da-dan, 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 ta-da-dan. It looks good. I've already added extra 5 minutes. It looks good. So we just leave it to cool. Now I'm going to prepare the coconut. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to 150 grams of coconut. So we'll stir it and then we'll steam it. And if you notice, I'm not putting any pandan leaf in here because I want the coconut to be plain, as we have quite a number of different layers of flavor in the sago. So 5 minutes is up and this is ready. So now we're going to take this out of the container. So now I'm going to dip it in the coconut because it is sticky, so the coconut will stick on it and it will be nice. You can cut it to whatever size that you want. It can be slimmer or thicker, doesn't really matter. Here we are. This is the sago layer cake. You can cut it into small pieces like this to serve, or you can cut it into a bigger like block and then you can decorate it the way that you like it. So now I'm going to eat it layer by layer, and the bottom layer is yellow, which is lemon, and then we have cardamom for the orange. Of course, green is pandan, and then the red is actually rose, and then the final layer is the blue, which is actually vanilla. So when you bite into it, every layer has a flavor. This is the lemon flavor. So there you go. We have our sago layered kuih or sago layered cake. So I hope you enjoy watching me making this layered sago cake. Please note that you don't have to do 5 layers. You can do 2 layers or 3 layers. It's entirely up to you. So just use this idea and be a bit more creative and make it to your own style. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video, and thank you for your time. So until the next round, until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. Don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think they're useful. Until the next time, happy cooking. Bye. See you again. Ciao. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.